Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Chrome is updated. This avoids extension conflicts and security warnings. Next, pick a reputable VPN provider that offers either a Chrome extension or a desktop app that integrates with Chrome. Once chosen, sign up and prepare your login and payment details. Install the extension from the Chrome Web Store or download the desktop client. Make sure to allow any required permissions. Extensions need site access. Desktop apps may require a network driver. This prepares Chrome and your device for a secure connection. Now install the extension or desktop client and follow the on-screen prompts. Accept permissions and any network driver installs. Sign in with your account, then choose a VPN protocol if the app offers options, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility. Select a server based on location needs. Nearby for speed, specific country for content. Configure startup behavior like connect on launch or set split tunneling to exempt local services. Make sure the browser extension and desktop client do not click connect and watch the extension icon or desktop client status to confirm an active VPN. Once connected, verify your new IP and location with a quick IP check to ensure traffic routes through the VPN. Test the websites or streaming services you need. Make sure cookies and site logins behave as expected. If something fails, try switching VPN protocol, disable any other VPNs or proxy settings, restart Chrome, and if necessary, reinstall the extension. These steps solve most connection and routing problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.